Hey everybody, Amy with Garden Up here. Today I want to teach you a couple of different weeds. This one is called common mallow. It's in the Malvaceae family, which is also called the hibiscus family. It has these cute little white or pink flowers that open up like a little cup. It's in the same family that petunias are in and true hibiscus and all that stuff. They're really cute, but they are a weed. And they get quite invasive. And then this is the other one I want to teach you about. This is called Herb Robert, and in college my classmates and I liked to call it Stinky Bob because oh my god, it smells like dirty gym socks. Whew, bad. Anyway, they both have tap roots. This one's not too well established, but these can have tap roots several inches deep. These do have tap roots several inches deep. I just pulled one up that had, what's going on, 8 inches for the main part and another 3 for the feeder root part. So these get quite massive. So usually when I approach a weed like this that has a taproot, I use a big shovel. I don't bother with my smaller tools because there's just no point. But if you go right next to it and just pull, and then you shake the weed a little bit so that you can find the root, and then grab the root and pull, you'll usually get most of it. Now, this soil has already been weeded several times, so it's quite soft, but it usually works about the same whether it's in soft soil or thick heavy soil like clay. So there's another one. Quite a big weed. These are just getting started. It's only the end of May, so these things have barely even started growing yet. This one's in a difficult position, being right under this big brick we put here. There it is. This one has another disease going on. This looks like a leaf fungus or a rust or something. I'm honestly not sure what it is, but it's on a weed, so I really don't care too much. It's going away. If it does show up on my other plants, then I would start to worry. But for the most part, if it's on a weed, just dig it up and throw it away and don't worry about it. Let's see. I talked about the family of Malvaceae, where the common mallow is, but I didn't really say much about Herb Robert. Herb Robert is in the geranium family, and the geranium family usually has 4 or 5 petals of a flower, and it seeds by shooting a long pod straight out of the center of the flower. They look like duck's bills, or not duck's bills, but swan bills.
Swan, yeah.
Yeah, or crane's bills. That's another common name for a lot of the geranium flowers. I think that's really all there is to know. Just dig it up and get rid of it. If you get it before it goes to seed, you can put it in your compost. Just make sure it's a real hot compost pile so it kills the root all the way. These ones that are diseased, I wouldn't put in the compost. I wouldn't want whatever that is to get into your other plants. That's really all there is to these ones. So I'm just going to dig up the big deep rooted weeds, and then I'll shuffle hoe the rest to get the smaller stuff. And that's the fastest, most efficient way I've found to get rid of big weeds. So I'll see you in the garden.